Yep, I did a rookie mistake. I landed my drone with only 7% battery. You know why I did this? Stay tuned after this. Hey, what's fun guys? I'm Max and this is Maximum Drone, and I'm gonna talk to you about my latest experience I had with my DJI Air 2S. I went to visit a friend. My God, those grasshoppers are loud. Sorry for that. So I went to visit a friend east of Montreal near Saint-Hilaire mountain, but I knew the winds were quite strong in the high altitude, around 100 meters. They were around 50 kilometers per hour, so I'm gonna post the speed over there in miles per hour for you US folks. And so I decided to take my chance. It was a beautiful day, it's a sunshine day, and the reason why I landed my drone with 7% is for this shot you're gonna see there. I really wanted this church shot, and you're gonna see later in the action how does it look like, but I only had around 25% battery left, so I decided what the hell, I'm gonna go for it. So I punched my drone in sport mode to reach this church. I flew around it, and when I had to bring it back, it was around 15-17% left in battery. And but yeah, I decided to keep my height because I didn't know what were the obstacles around. I didn't want to take any chances to lower it too much. It was a rookie mistake. And yeah, I landed it in extremis at last minute at 7% battery left. And guys, never do this with your batteries. Never go lower than 15% because it could damage your battery at long term. As a piece of advice, when you see 25%, bring it back. If there's a strong wind warning, lower your drone, make sure you don't have any obstacle in the view like wires and trees. Bring it back home safely because yeah, you never want to go lower than 15 or 10% battery. It's bad. Another thing that could have happened with this drone, if I flew over a body of water, if it goes under 15%, it's gonna land automatically wherever it wants. So I could have lost this drone in the water, or it could have landed in a private property, a private base, or I don't know, someplace the government is owning. So it's not good. Well, I think it's time to drink a bit of... It splashed over my face. I think it's time to drink a sip of water and show you this video. But before, please press this like button and make sure you subscribe and press the bell notification so you can know when I'm posting new videos, and it's gonna help me build this channel a little bit more. Okay, Max, let's run the tape. Well, that's it guys. I hope you liked this video and this story, and stay tuned for the next one. Bye bye.